Every sunrise brings a promise of pure, natural flavor, grown with care, directly from the earth to your table. Grown with care. Each vegetable is carefully inspected. Only the finest organic produce makes the cut. Premium produce is carefully packed in eco-friendly boxes. Every box is artfully arranged, ensuring freshness from farm to table.
Which one do you like?
I like that one.
Let's get these washed.
I can help.
Slicing through reveals more than just vibrant colors. Tomatoes are packed with essential vitamin C. Cucumbers provide a great source of fiber, while bell peppers deliver powerful antioxidants. Combining these fresh ingredients creates a powerhouse of nutrition. Rich in fiber and vitamins, it is as healthy as it is colorful. Top it with a drizzle of olive oil for those healthy fats. Eating a variety of colors ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. It is educational storytelling through every bite.
This is delicious.
Vegetables support heart health. Orange vegetables provide vitamin A for healthy vision. Green vegetables contain fiber and vitamin K. Every color in your salad provides unique health benefits. Red vegetables, like tomatoes, are known to support heart health. Orange vegetables provide essential vitamin A for healthy vision. After eating, the body begins its remarkable work. Nutrients are absorbed through the digestive system. Fiber and folate pass into the bloodstream. Vitamin A travels to support your vision. Dietary fiber travels through the digestive system. Gentle contractions propel it forward for better digestion. Beneficial gut bacteria flourish, absorbing nutrients efficiently. Nutrients enter the bloodstream. Vitamins and minerals like vitamin C nourish your cells, moving to support your immune system. Antioxidants protect and strengthen healthy cells. Nutrients flow seamlessly toward the human heart, supporting cardiovascular health and healthy blood flow. Efficient blood flow delivers vital nutrients for a healthy body and mind. A vegetable-rich diet is the foundation of a healthy and active lifestyle. It provides natural energy for the whole family, bringing balanced nutrition to your daily life. Welcome home to a world of fresh flavors. Start your day with a colorful vegetable omelet. Enjoy a vibrant mixed salad and wrap for lunch. And for dinner, a nutritious vegetable stir-fry. Cooking vegetables is an art. Avoid overcooking to keep nutrients. Use less oil for a lighter meal. And remember to cook evenly, for healthy cooking every day. Preserving nutrients starts with the right cooking methods. Steaming keeps broccoli and carrots vibrant. A light stir-fry is perfect for bell peppers and spinach. Storing your vegetables correctly is key to keeping them fresh. Avoid plastic bags and use breathable containers instead. Proper organization helps reduce food waste. Choosing the freshest vegetables is simple when you know what to look for. Look for vibrant colors, crisp leaves, and a firm texture. These are the signs of maximum nutrition and flavor.
Both can be part of a healthy diet. Just be sure to wash them properly. And choose what fits your budget.
Seasonal
Vegetables are harvested at their natural peak.
Seasonal vegetables are always fresher, and supporting local farmers helps everyone.
Buying local means fresher food for our family. It means a shorter journey from farm to table, reducing carbon emissions and waste.
Every full-circle journey brings us closer to what matters. Choosing fresh and healthy food for your family creates a connection with nature and a healthy planet.